So today I want to talk about 3 ways to make money during COVID-19. For the past couple months, I haven't had a job because of COVID-19. It's really difficult to find jobs, and I know many of you guys have the same problem as well. So today I want to share some of my experience and 3 ways to make money during COVID-19. Number 3 is Twitch. Twitch is an online streamer website mostly about games and just chatting. You can make money from donations, paid subscriptions, Amazon Prime subscription, and ads. I have been streaming games on Twitch for a couple months and I made around 32 USD. Twitch is really good for starting making money. And it's similar to YouTube except you have to actively stream instead of making videos. If people like you, they give you donations on subscribe with money on Amazon Prime. You just need 3 average views for the past 30 days to unlock donations, subscribes, Amazon Primes, and advertisement avenue. If you like to make friends or make money online at the same time, this could be a good opportunity. If you like to talk or make friends online and don't like to gaming, just chatting is the best way. You can talk about anything. If you want to talk your own opinion, as long as you entertainment to make the people keep watching you and coming back to you. For me, mostly I like to stream games and sometimes just chatting because I like to talk and have an opinion to share and make friends as well. So number 2 is YouTube. YouTube is a good starting place to make money online. If you have any hobbies or any idea for making videos that are entertainment or useful to watch like games, cooking, teaching, how-to videos, or any idea that you may have, YouTube can be a great way to make money. My friend makes money on YouTube just making games video because he likes to play games anyway. His video make around $1 to $4 for 1,000 views. It depends what kind of video you want to make, but you can get lots of views if your videos are entertainment or useful to people. Even without any special editing, I have nothing to do anyway, so I start doing some YouTube video as well, like you are watching right now. Since you got 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time on your videos, you can be getting paid by YouTube and earning money. Hopefully, I can unlock monetization on my channel soon. With YouTube, it isn't easy to get started, but if you have a good idea or do well, you might unlock monetization fast and get a lot of views. But it just depends on what your video is about and whether people like them or not. Some people become rich very fast doing this if they work hard or have some luck. I'm not saying it will be easy, even my YouTube channel isn't successful anyway, but it's always possible if you make the right videos and work hard or have some luck. This isn't a way to make money as fast as possible unless you are very lucky, but it can be a way to make money online for long term, and there's no limit to how much you can earn if you do well. So if you do well, you can go anywhere you want and work online and have freedom without any boss. Number 1 is driving for Uber Eats. Driving for Uber Eats is easy, isn't difficult at all. I have been driving for Uber Eats for the past couple months since I lost my job, and I use an electric scooter to do it. But if you have a car or motorbike or bicycle, you could use it too. Uber Eats has a new reward, so if you complete 4 trips during lunchtime, you will get an extra bonus for £6. And if you complete 6 trips on 8 trips, you will get an extra bonus for £9 or £12 and so on. So this one is the first option to make money during COVID-19. It's easy to start and can be make money right away. You can get paid instantly wherever you want to withdraw earnings to your bank account. Thank you so much guys for spending your time to watching this video, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye.